Hey everyone, welcome back to Boost English Channel. I'm Penny.
And I'm Inko. Hey, hi friends. We're so happy you're here.
Today we're going to talk about something super important. How to talk about your daily routine in natural English.
Natural English, not textbook English.
Exactly. Most learners use very basic sentences for daily routines.
Like, I wake up, I eat breakfast, I go to work.
Yes, those are correct, but not natural. Today we'll show you the real expressions natives use every day.
Ooh, I'm excited. Even I want these expressions. Haha.
And friends, if you enjoy learning English with us, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. It helps us grow.
Yes, we love you. Bye-bye.
Okay, Inko, let's start with your morning. How do you usually say it?
I wake up at 7.
Good. But natives usually say, I get up around 7. I'm usually up by 7. I roll out of bed at 7.
I roll out of bed. Haha. That feels so real.
Because it is real. Native English is full of personality.
Okay. After waking up, I say I brush my teeth.
Natural alternatives. I freshen up. I get ready. I wash up.
I freshen up. That's my new favorite.
And breakfast?
I always say I eat breakfast.
Try these. I grab some breakfast. I make myself something to eat. I have a quick bite. I fix myself breakfast.
Ooh, I fix myself breakfast. Ooh, that sounds fancy.
Now, let's move to going to work.
My sentence is I go to work.
Natural English, I head to work. I leave for work. I'm off to work.
I'm off to work. That sounds so native.
And when you start work?
I start work at 9.
Better options? My day starts at 9. I begin around 9. I get started around 9.
Ooh, I get started around 9. So smooth.
What about breaks during work?
I say I take a break.
Natives say, I take a quick break. I step out for a minute. I grab a coffee.
I step out for a minute. Wow, so fluent.
And lunchtime?
I eat lunch.
Try these. I grab lunch. I take my lunch break. I have lunch with coworkers. I get something to eat.
I grab lunch is definitely my style, haha.
And after work?
I go home.
No. Try these. I head home. I make my way home. I get back home.
I make my way home. Wow, that's so beautiful.
Let's talk about evening routines.
I usually say I eat dinner.
More natural, I have dinner. I cook something simple. I make dinner. I throw something together.
I throw something together. Haha, that sounds like me.
And after dinner?
I watch TV.
Natural English, I put on a show. I watch something on YouTube. I chill for a bit. I relax on the couch.
I chill for a bit. That's so fluent.
And when you go to sleep?
I say I go to sleep.
Try these. I head to bed. I call it a night. I get ready for bed.
I call it a night. Oh, love this one.
Okay, Inko, now tell me your full natural-sounding routine.
All right, here we go. I'm usually up by 7. I freshen up, grab some breakfast, and head to work. My day starts at 9. I take a quick break around 11 and grab lunch at 1. I head home around 6, cook something simple, chill for a bit, and then I call it a night.
Wow, that sounds super fluent.
Hey, thank you. I feel like a native speaker.
Because you are speaking like one. Friends, here's the secret. Daily routine English is not about long sentences.
It's about natural expressions.
Yes, native English is full of small phrases, chunks.
Chunky English, haha.
And when you use them, you sound fluent instantly.
Penny, can you give us more?
Of course, here are extra everyday chunks you can use in your routine. I'm running late. I'm on my way. I just got home. I'm winding down. I'm getting things done. I've got a lot going on today. I'm taking it easy tonight.
Wow, these make me sound so natural.
Exactly. And here's your homework. Use 5 of these chunks in your routine today. Say them out loud. Make them automatic.
Yes, practice makes you fluent.
Totally. And the more natural phrases you learn, the easier speaking becomes. Friends, thank you so much for learning with us today.
We love making English fun for you.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe.
And comment below, what time do you usually get up?
We'll read your comments.
Catch you later.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Keep practicing.